In the silent hours of the night shift at the emergency department, where every decision can be life-altering, there's a silent force at play, often overlooked yet so vital. It's not the steady beeps of monitors or the swift actions of my fellow nurses. It's sleep, the unsung hero of healing and recovery. Imagine sleep as a hidden sanctuary where our bodies and minds resets to repair, rejuvenate, and prepare for the challenges ahead. For us in healthcare, understanding the profound impact of sleep on health is as essential for our patients as it is for ourselves. During sleep, our brain engages in kind of an overnight maintenance, consolidating memories and making sense of the day's experiences. Think of it like a crew working the night shift, tidying up the mess left behind after a long day. This process is crucial not only for cognitive functions, but also for emotional resilience. From my days in psychiatry to the hectic hours in the emergency room, I've seen firsthand how lack of sleep can cloud judgment and fray nerves. It is not just our brains that needs this downtime. Every cell in our body enters a state of repair during sleep. Our immune system ramps up, muscles grows and repair, and hormones that help regulate growth and appetite are released. These processes are critical, especially for those recovering from illness or injury. In my time as a Navy medic, rest was as much a part of the treatment plans as any medication, particularly in facilitating quicker recoveries and better overall outcomes. So how do we promote better sleep, especially in a setting that often operates counter to the natural sleep cycle? It begins with what we call sleep hygiene, a simple, effective practice that encourages quality sleep. For our patients, this means creating an environment that supports sleep, with quiet, dark and cool rooms. For nurses and other healthcare professionals, it involves managing our schedules to allow for adequate rest, a challenge I've navigated throughout my career. Balancing night shift with daytime responsibilities. The consequences of ignoring the need for sleep are severe. Studies links insufficient sleep to a plethora of health issues, including cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and obesity. These are not just statistics. They are real risks that I discuss daily with my patients in the emergency department, urging them to take sleep as seriously as their medication. And as we continue to care for others, let's not forget to care for ourselves. The power of sleep is immense, often as critical as any treatment we administer. In healthcare, where every moment and every decision counts, ensuring we and our patients get the restorative sleep we need is not just beneficial, it's essential. This commitment to sleep is commitment to better health, better care, and a better life. And if you want to be smarter on needs of our patients, then check out this playlist on Virginia Henderson's needs theory. It is about everything our patient needs, so check it out right there. And I'm looking forward to seeing you over there.